Hello guys, good morning. Nami diri sa Lake Simcoe, diri sa Georgina. Ngita mi ka fishingan but mm, mm. It's not good for fishing, Carlos, no? Not good for fishing. It's so shallow. Oh. So mabaw, not good for fishing. So ngita mi lain. Mm. So diha na mga balay. May mga balay pero nindot kay na sila mga baruto. Hindi lang i-develop jud pero mga private properties na din na. Ngita miglain. Naawa guys, nindot kaayo. Ngita miglain. Tuwa na sila. Biyaan niya ako. Guys, nabot namin sa among second destination. Ate Ludi, guba lang ngaong. Kaming Carlos, mong tanawon, kung pwede ba. Mabaw man. Wow. Pukay siya na lake. Pukay siya na lake guys. Viewha dyan eh. Grabe kalimpyo sa ilang lake dari ay.
Yeah. Is this how it is? You fish here?
Yeah, I'll sit out there and just leave it.
Oh. Careful.
Here, got something.
Alright guys, nami dari sa Lake Simcoe. So mao ni among pangisdaan dari karon, Lake Simcoe. Kaya lang pati lang daghanag itats. Animals po, the Georgina Shepherd Wharf. Ano siya? Masul mi. Nagdala kog net. Naot unta na this time makakuha nami. Kitats. Kita eh. It's okay. Lingaw-lingaw raman niya mo ah. Pati Lodi oh. Dito. Butang lagi din. Pakuan.
Let's see if we can change this.
Carlos, it's good that we came here first.
Why?
There's a lot coming.
Yeah. A lot of them are going out on boats.
Okay.
So this is a public launch?
Yeah. Hold on.
Pauna na to?
Wala pa. Try lang niya.
Right?
Okay.
Right.
For the left.
When you go, just go down there more. So Melody, go in the middle here. Okay? You ready, Melody?
Yeah.
Paon guys.
Put the lid back on that. Right.
Going out.
Ang ilang paon guys. Parihang yapon sa tuwa guys. Na worm. It's the same worm. Sit.
Actually looks like a great place to swim, eh? Huh?
Yeah. There should be camping near here. This is not too far, right?
I got some lead and guys. Ay guys, namasulwi diri sa Shepherd Wharf. So, kangaw sa akong front guys. Isa naman to. Darang akong pasul. Pasagdan na sana ako maglutaw-lutaw dito. Na floater. Then, ayun, mga gansa guys. Ayun mga gansa. Wilang-wilangoy. Yun, lalom. Tagadughan naman lagi sa gansa. Yun na pinamasol, guys. Hindi na ako Pinoy. Di man di ay. I think para Cambodian or Vietnam. Was kaloy dito. So, na mga barko dari. Mga private. Gusto mag-fishing dito sa lalom. So, pwede kayo. Dari ni sa Shepherd Wharf. Ito ang mga gansa guys, oh. Abi na ko iro ganina. Saba. Mga gansa man di ay. Oh, wild. Wild na gansa. Langga kay nila mga gansa dari guys. Murag iro nag-aw-aw gansa di ay. akong ulaw. Binako na ni kaon kinik. Nalang taon tayo. Ang akong rad. Yay!
Nakakuha na gyud si Hill og
It's my
perch.
first fish
First
catch.
catch.
It's a perch.
Gamay-gamay nga perch.
Pero ingon ni Carlo, I should take it back to the ocean.
Pauli kay gamay.
Gamay. Only kung dako-dako. Bye-bye.
No, that's a real big one.
Yes. Woohoo. It's still a perch.
A perch na po daw o
Still a
gamay.
perch, Carlos.
Yeah.
Gamay gihapon na
You want a
perch.
big one.
Yeah, me too. Yay!
Video.
Yay, guys. Katakop ko. It's still a perch. Pero still bawal.
Gamay.
1/4 nung tato kung kuha na tong tulo.
Di lagi na siya. Lahi lagi na siya. Bawal lagi daw.
Hey,
Ibalik nga lang.
lagi. So na more people are coming, guys. Mag lunch barko. Kami chill lang mi dire. Pero nana mi safety. Chill lang ta dire pero nana ta safety. Chill lang mi, guys.
They got a cottage there. You gotta get in the boat.
I think I want
What? Yeah.
Gorge. Where's Ate?
She's up there.
Still the same.
No. No.
It's not?
No.
It's different fish.
That's a sunfish.
Oh, is it edible?
No, it's not good. That's the one that takes your worm. Runs away.
At least. Hey guys, I got another fish, but it's sunfish. It's not good though. It's not edible.
It's
I
not,
think-
not that good.
It's not good fish. Ini siyang isda na bye-bye. Woo! It's not a good fish. Okay. Ano din siya, guys? Paon. Una is kani. Kaduha is kani. Then paon. Ang una jud is kato. Blubber. Yan kani. Dari isumpay. Isumpay ni siya. Warag din ang hook. Timan ina, guys, ha. Guys, oh. They're loading sa ilang barko. Ilang speedboat. Nice kaayo. Ano yun na diri, guys. Mga kwartahan yung mga tao diri, guys. Ma-afford yun nila. Ako, lisod kayo ni. Luxury na ito, ah. Sila diri toys ang tawag, ano. It's their toys.
Patay
Doon
patay
siya.
na.
Dili, uy, bugi.
Dili ba ka na oh.
Right? Hey guys, ito na sila ate. Lakaw na sila ate. Still a bird. Apoy bird oh.
Lalha. Guniti, guniti.
That's a jet ski boat.
Guys, ganda ko pong isda guys. Pero butiti man ni guys sa Toa, sa Pilipinas. Na dinidiripod nawala ang pasol. It's butiti ang nipuli. Carlos, this fish can be used as bait too?
I think so.
Oh, okay, I will use this as bait.
Let me see. Well, I don't even know what kind it is.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's very small.
Yeah.
I will try to use this as bait. Ipaon ko na lang ni guys. Since na naman dyan siya guys, I will use him as paon. There's a jet ski. Jet ski right. Tuwad guys. Nakita ko washroom. This is the kids park. And here they are, kids playing. I'm looking for a washroom. No, dili daw na siya washroom. So I have to go. This is not Georgina Park. Park ni Gina. Georgina Park. So, Georgina Shepherd Park.